Croton may die due to overwatering, causing root rot or underwatering. Insert your finger into the soil. If feels too wet, it means overwatered. If dry, it means lack of moisture in the soil. Now we take out the plant to examine its soil and roots. Note that only some roots are left, others have rotten. The soil is too wet, which caused the roots to rot, making the leaves droopy. So new soil is needed. To save this plant, it needs to be repotted in a pot having many drainage holes. Take a pot having many drainage holes at its bottom so it drains excess water freely. Mix some sand in the potting mix to make it free draining. This soil will not hold the water and drain it quickly. Because there are only a few roots, they cannot support so many branches and leaves. So I will trim the leaves. Please like and share the video. Please subscribe to the channel to watch my other videos and to know when the new videos are posted.